Hi there, this is our large radial arm drill, big capacity machine. It's in very good condition. The table itself's got quite a few holes in it, but the machine itself ticks over nicely. A big heavy duty column, big swing out here. So starting from this end, you've got your coolant pump there. I'll turn that on. We don't have any fluid in that. We light here, that's working. The column itself has an electric motor that takes it up and down and also locks it. So it'll when you push up, it'll unlock it, then take it up and then lock it, etc. in the opposite going down. It's also got another electric motor up there, which is a lock for this big arm swivelling, and you'll see that operating. And in regards to this head this way and that way, it's got a manual lock on it, which is this lever here. So yeah, general condition is good all the way around. You'll see that on the photos anyway. So for instance, I've just unlocked that arm there, which is swung towards me on this lever, and then I've just taken that right up the top and locked that arm from swivelling around, which in turn has unlocked this. So this head turns nicely. That main spindle comes down nicely. It's got a big travel there, and that spindle looks good and feels good on the inside. And also you've got your wee fine feed handle there as well. I'll take it up and down. So that's I've pushed the up button, it's unlocked, now it's taking it up, and then when I take my finger off, it locks it again. So I'll do that going down, unlocking, taking it down, and now locking. So you've got your forward and reverse here, so I'll just put that in forward and engage those feeds, and then basically you've got your feed speeds over here, which are nice to operate, and also a feed here. So I've engaged those feeds there, and now I've just engaged that with the kick out. I'll do that again. So I've engaged that, it's kicked out, so I re-engage those feeds, and now I've got it feeding down. And that's just kicked out. So those are the feeds there. Stop and reverse. It's got clutches in there, and it's nice to engage, etc. And then we've got our gear change over there. So that was about 100 RPM. I'll take us up to 210, which will be 3, 6, 7. There, so that's 210 running there. I'll take us into the high range. 148. 1, 4, 8. So that there is 265. I'll take us up to 1,000, so 168. And I'll take us up to our fastest one, which will be 368 there. So that's our fastest one. There, forward, reverse. So that's 1700 RPM. So it's nice to change the gears there, and a good wee system. And that's probably about all there is to demonstrate, really. So it's a heavy duty machine, it ticks over nicely, it's got those good locking systems, and it's all set to go.